It's a big investment. The process and making it as seamless for them as possible is really pretty difficult. The key for us is identifying the bottlenecks early and then having strategies on how to mitigate them and minimize the amount of bottleneck that's being caused. Some of the tools that Wavelynx has built in really help a lot. The Prox Filter is a big piece of that. The ability to have, dual technology while you're making the transition and phase out the unsecure technology over time is really helpful. The Auto-Detect is great because you can change from Wiegand to OSDP, and that part's really great, but then also the visual and audio indications that you're providing at the reader, right, for the technician to know what's going on. So I think all of these things help, the install to be more efficient. And then for the end user, it also adds benefit because we can be lower cost to them to get the install or the retrofit done. And we can help them to understand that there's tools to make sure that we can do that quickly and efficiently. The thing that we enjoy the most about Wavelynx is the partnership. It's really nice to have a partner that listens to you, wants to make it easier and quicker to solve these problems, and then comes back with solutions and they meet the need. They actually solve the problem that we were trying to solve. So.